This is Elliott Dacher welcoming you to the 7th session of the practice of a direct awakening. In the previous session, we explored the essence of our true self. We learned that our natural self, our deeper self, we may say our original self, is both empty of the usual mental content and yet pristinely aware of moment-to-moment experience. Just think of a young child, that presence, their mind isn't going here and there and the other, it's empty. They're just there with every experience of every moment. In this session, we will train in awakening quickly, directly, and again to our true self, until it progressively stabilizes and becomes the ground of our life. Please close your eyes if you wish. Find a comfortable position and listen with focused attention, returning your attention to listening whenever it wanders. Now I'll guide you in directly awakening to your inner self and experiencing its qualities. At the time, I will be silent, and other times, I will point you towards your heart center. We will forego the breathing exercises this time and go right to dropping in. However, if you need these in your daily practice, please use them. Relax your mind and body. Drop all of your past history, all thoughts, feelings, and images. Let them go. Drop all beliefs, identities, judgments, all mental commentary. Just let them go. Let your mind just empty out. Just one supreme instruction. Drop everything and don't grasp onto anything. Let everything come and go like clouds in the sky, like waves in the sea. Be in your immediate experience. Be right here, right now. That is your true self. You are the state of presence, isness, simple beingness. It's so easy to come to your natural self, which is a state of natural meditation. As I said before, your usual eye may seek to pull you back, discourage you. You can't do this, it's not easy, how can you live like this? Disregard that mind talk. You will slowly become to know this empty, pure awareness as your natural home. Dwell in the stillness. Doesn't mean thoughts, feelings, images won't arise, but you don't attach to them. You let them come and go. Now let's ask some questions of your natural mind. Remember to let the answers come spontaneously from your natural wisdom, not from your thinking mind. Rest a few more moments in this stillness, this expansiveness, this ease. Then I will ask you a few questions. Are you imagining this inner self? Are you creating it? Or does it seem real and true? An important question: is there any suffering in your natural self? Can there be any suffering in this natural state? Just be there. Let the answer come to you if it will. In this natural self, is there or can there be any anxiety, fear, depression, loneliness, or other disturbing emotions? Just see if it's possible that could be in your natural self. Is there a sense of separation or disconnection from anyone or anything else? Or is there a sense of connection, of wholeness, of oneness? Just listen, observe, see if the answer comes to you. Can you find your usual sense of I there, your personal sense with all its commentary, thoughts, feelings, concerns, worries with your name? Is that aspect of your personal self in this natural self? Or is it free of that? Is there a sense of contentment? And does that come and go? Or is that stable in this natural self? Is there a sense of well being? Does that come and go? Or is it stable in your natural self? Sort of a perfume, a quality that's always there. Is there a sense of time there? A usual sense of time, past, present, future, fears, anxieties, time urgency? Or is there no time, just presence and beingness? Rest in the natural self, in the here and now. Experience your authentic self, which is both empty, aware, and alert and present. Thoughts come and go. You can use a breath hold if you need to. relaxing all your muscles. Easeful, simple, clear mind. This is your natural self. It's always there, already there, although obscured by the talkative mind, the personal self. We let that fictional personal self go for the moment. Just remember, recognize, who you truly are and have always been. What you have discovered is a direct awakening, the essence of your being, to the center of your being, some call the heart center. You have found the treasure, the gold that's within you. You found your home. Now practice living your true self again and again. Let's continue for another minute. In your formal sitting sessions and in your daily life practice, you want to practice dropping everything and resting in the empty awareness of your true self. It's quite natural. Just stop. Catch that gap between two thoughts or two feelings or two images. Take a deep breath, hold if that helps. Just drop in. Kind of mini or micro meditation during the day to extend your morning regular sitting practice. In the next session, we explore how our day-to-day life can support and stabilize the inner self. I will leave you now, but you can continue to practice by yourself as long as you wish. When you're through, just allow this experience of your natural self to remain in the background. So it's always there for you. It's the foundation of your day-to-day activities. And then you go back to your daily activities. And they'll all drop into the context of this serenity, this peace, this natural self, this openness, this spaciousness. So thank you for sharing time with me. And spend a bit more time with meditation, but I will leave you now.